Welcome to Brighten-up-sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Thumbs up for today's artwork. We're going to get right into 10 interesting facts about how to grow old gracefully, backed by research. This will be in the Did You Know playlist, in case you're interested to watch more videos in that playlist. Growing old gracefully is about more than just maintaining physical health. It's about actually embracing the lifestyle that promotes overall well-being and fulfillment. Today, we're going to talk about 10 research-backed facts on how to grow old gracefully. 1. Stay physically active. Fact: regular physical activity is linked to lower risk of chronic disease, better cognitive function, and improved mental health. Research has been published in many different articles, including the Lancet, and it shows that even moderate exercise like walking or gardening can significantly benefit older adults. And here's why it matters. Exercise helps maintain muscle mass, flexibility, and cardiovascular health, all of which contribute to gracefully aging. Number 2, maintain a balanced diet. Fact is, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is associated with better health outcomes in older adults. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, in particularly, has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and cognitive decline. And here is why it matters. Proper nutrition supports overall health, and that helps manage your weight and can prevent age-related diseases. Number 3, foster strong social connections. Fact: studies from different articles, including the Journal of Aging and Health, indicates that maintaining strong social ties is associated with longer life expectancy and better mental health. Social engagement helps reduce feelings of loneliness and depression. Why it matters? Social interactions can provide emotional support and keep you mentally active. Number 4, engage in lifelong learning. Cognitive stimulation through activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline. Also backed by many research articles, including the New England Journal of Medicine. These all suggest that lifelong learning can help preserve cognitive function. Why it matters? It keeps your brain active and challenges your brain and helps you maintain a mental sharpness. Number 5, practice mindfulness and stress management. Fact: mindful practices such as meditation have been shown to reduce stress, improve overall well-being, and again, many research articles support this with the benefit of mindfulness for mental and emotional health. Why it matters? Managing stress effectively can improve your quality of life, help you deal with the challenges of aging. Number 6, get regularly health checkups. Just go regular and like at least once a year and get a health checkup. Fact is, regular health screening and checkups can detect potential issues early and prevent serious health problems. So, proactive is the way to go with health management. It's crucial for long-term wellness. Why it matters? Early detection and management of health conditions can improve the quality of your life and longevity. Number 7, prioritize sleep quality. Fact: quality sleep is essential for overall health, and research has been published about this in different sleep and health research articles and magazines, and it shows that good sleep hygiene is linked to improved cognitive function, emotional well-being, and physical health. Why it matters? Proper rest supports your body's ability to repair and rejuvenate, which is crucial as you age. Number 8, maintain a positive attitude. Fact, a positive outlook on aging is associated with better health and longevity. Studies in psychology have been proving this, and aging articles from different magazines reveal that people who view aging positive are more likely to experience better health outcomes. And we have many more videos on how our brain affects the rest of the quality of our life and the way we think of things. So, why it matters. A positive attitude can influence how you perceive and handle the aging process, affecting your overall well-being. Number 9, stay hydrated. Fact, adequate hydration is vital for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. Lots of research has went into this, and usually it's the 64-ounce rule. 64 ounces of water a day is like the least we need, and this will help with digestion, circulation, and regulating our temperature. Why it matters. Proper hydration supports physical health. It can improve skin conditions and energy levels. And number 10, embrace a sense of purpose. Fact, having a sense of purpose is linked to better health and longevity. Research and different articles, again, including the Journal of Clinical and Psychiatric research papers, have suggested that individuals with a clear sense of purpose tend to have a better mental and physical health. Why it matters. A sense of purpose can provide motivation and direction. It enhances your overall quality of life. So, here's the conclusion. Growing old is going to happen to all of us if we're lucky and fortunate enough. So grow old gracefully. It's going to involve a holistic approach to health and well-being. By incorporating these research-backed practices into your life, you can enhance your physical health, your mental sharpness, and overall happiness. Embrace these strategies to age gracefully and enjoy a fulfilling, vibrant life. Thank you for subscribing to Brighten Up Sunshine. If you've not already subscribed, please do so. Remember, the sun always rises. Keep shining, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.